This is Alexis from Linbay team, and today I'm testing the second strut channel in this factory. This is the second one that they already have, but right now this time they choose the automatic, so they can have an adjustment by automatic. As you can see, we have the gearbox, and we also have the motors right here. This is the best configuration for this type of product, the strut channel. Right now they have the automatic, but before they have the manually. As you can see, it's this one. So right now we are keep producing. We have been producing all day. The installation took 1 day, so everything is going fine. And we want to invite you to come to this factory in Mexico, or you can come to China also if you want. So you're welcome to come to join this family called Linbay. Nice to meet you, and bye bye.